Hello everyone, welcome to UPS Education. So today we are here to provide information about the application for admission in RCI recognized M.Phil in Clinical Psychology course that is being offered by the Institute of Mental Health and Hospital, which is based in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. So first you have to type UPS Education and enter. Click on the updates. You'll see various other institutions' information that are available, but today we are going to know about the Institute of Mental Health and Hospital. The M.Phil in Clinical Psychology course being offered is affiliated with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, for which the eligibility criteria is Master's degree in Psychology from a UGC recognized university with an aggregate minimum of 55% marks for general candidates and 50% marks for SC, ST and OBC candidates, preferably with a special paper in clinical psychology. Now, the selection procedure for the following course will be done on the basis of written examination and interview, where the written exam will contain 85% marks and the interview will contain 15% marks. For the application process, one can download form from the link provided on the website. Over here, after filling the application, it should be reached at the postal address of the institution which is mentioned at the website. On the website, you will find other important links also, such as admission notice, the admission prospect of 2020-22. The application fee for the non-UP resident is 1,500 and for UP domicile people it is 750 rupees, which can be submitted through a demand draft in the favor of Director, Institute of Mental Health and Hospital, Agra. The examination will be conducted offline at the allocated center, which is Academic Block, Institute of Mental Health and Hospital. There will be 100 multiple choice questions with a time limit of 90 minutes and there is no negative marking. The fee structure is 1,50,000 yearly fee plus 2,000 admission fee and rupees 5,000 one-time caution money, which is refundable for the candidates who are interested in hostel accommodation. The charges are rupees 10,000 per year. The candidates need to pay enrollment fee, examination fee and other fees which are prescribed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Agra separately. Now, the last date to submit the application form is 5th of November 2022. The examination will be conducted on 12th of November 2022 and the course for the selected candidates will begin from 15th of December 2022 only. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video will help you in the best possible way. For more information, you can visit our website UPS Education.